Hey guys, it's Susan. Today I'm going to show you how to put a seashell on a piece of leather cording. Okay, so what you're going to need for supplies is you're going to need some leather cording. And this leather cording is called pearl, but it's leather. It's got a shine to it. It's really pretty. So I want to use this, and it's 2 millimeters. And then I'm going to need a ruler to measure out the length of the necklace that I want. I need 2 cord ends. These are for leather, and they have a little loop on one end, and then you're going to put your leather in there, right in there. So I need 2 of those. I need 2 silver tone jump rings, a clasp, my seashell, and a jump ring to go on my seashell. I'm going to need some flush cutters and flat pliers and chain nose pliers. The first thing I'm going to do is measure out my cording. I want a 17-inch necklace, but I can't cut this 17 inches because the clasp and the jump ring and the other jump ring is going to take up about 3/4 of an inch. So I need to cut 16¼ inches of my leather. So I'm going to do that. So there's my 12. There's my 16¼ right there. So I'm going to cut that. I forgot to mention that you're going to need some kind of glue. I'm going to use super glue Loctite, but you can use what you have on hand. There's also the, let me get it. You can use the GS Hypo Cement, this stuff. And you can use the E6000. The first thing I'm going to do is open up my glue and put some of that on my paper towel. Then I'm going to take one of my cord ends and I'm going to put some glue. Lay that down right inside the channel. Take my cord end, put that in. I'm going to use my flat pliers and pinch it down, doing one side at a time. So I'm going to go one side, pinch down, rotate, and do the other side. And pinch that down. And then squeeze it down together. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same side, the next side, the same way. Put my glue on. And what's important to remember when you buy these cord ends is you look at the measurements to make sure that this is going to fit onto your cord. So this is a 2 millimeter size leather. Make sure when you buy your cord end that it says it will fit 2 millimeters, that it's not bigger or smaller. You want it to be able to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and press one side down. Flip it around and press the other side down. Okay, I've got my 2 cord ends done. What I'm going to do is get my 2 jump rings. I'm going to open up one jump ring first, and I'm going to do that by using my flat pliers on one side and my chain nose pliers on the other side, and then I'll twist it open. I'm going to slide on my clasp and my cord end and close it down by twisting it again. I like to pinch it together to make sure that both of the ends meet. I'm going to open up my second jump ring, slip it through my cord end, and close it back down by twisting. Okay, I've got my ends complete. Now I'm going to work on the seashell. I've got a jump ring, and I'm using gold because I've got a gold rim around the shell. And I have to attach it like this, but the loop is going in the wrong direction. So I need to add a jump ring to that. So I've got a gold jump ring. I'm going to slip it through my shell, attach it to my cord, and then close it down. And there you have it. That's how easy this is to make. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you in your jewelry making process, and I hope you give this necklace a try. It's so pretty and it's so easy to make, perfect for the summer months. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.